if he has any potatoes in the bag.
One right there. Where?
Then just put them in a pile on the tarp when you find them.
Ooh.
If your friends that grew them with you, they can look too. So put them on a pile.
I
Good.
never got to grow one of them.
Oh, bummer. See, if I don't know what happened. If you didn't grow, I don't have any more. So sometimes I only bought so much. You know what I mean? I bought like $40 worth of the special seed.
Oh, potato! Whoa, they're big. You look like eggs. Right here, get it. Get it here.
That's nice. Good sharing. Excellent.
Potatoes. Oh!
Okay, now look. Hold up that plant. You can see how they grow. So yeah, the things just spread out. That's cool.
There's another one right there. There's a worm on my potato. Kiara! One right. I have the worm. Where are the potatoes?
We're gonna take the extra soil and put it in the raised bed. No, there's too many people would be in there.
Can I?
Okay, nope. We'll just leave it like this.
Oh, there you go.
It becomes crazy. It becomes like Black Friday. Everybody's rushing against the potatoes. You guys can do this at home, you know. If you get organic potatoes at the store and they start sprouting, plant them at home in a bag. I'll give you guys bags like that if you want.
I already got a potato plant.
Okay.
I have never got a potato.
You never planted a potato? The little slice of potato yet? Some kids didn't. Some kids like were absent or they weren't here or something happened and they didn't plant potatoes.
There's more. Mama one.
Okay, cool.
Oh, baby one. Share. What the heck? That's a lot of. Jasmine, why are you letting us do all the dirty work? This is your potato plant too. Yeah. Oh no, but she does every day.
Okay.
Dude, I share with you.
So then someone's gonna shovel the soil into. Oh, nice one.
Holy macaroni!
That's a special pink or purple potato.
You guys get to take those home?
There's a little teeny one right there, little baby. Little baby, yep. Aaron sees it. Point to it, Aaron. Watch where Aaron's pointing. Go ahead.
There's one right there.
Okay, yeah, right here. Right here, there's a little teeny one. Look.
Oh, here's one.
So those never got a chance to grow. So the skin on these potatoes is really sensitive, so you want to be real careful with the potatoes.
That's a big potato.
So we need to decide, do we want to roast these in the oven next time or eat them raw with like vinegar and salt?
I found that one. It had no dirt on it.
Salt and vinegar, fresh salt and vinegar potatoes or roasted?
Well, she hasn't got a potato yet, Yara. Why is there hay? I'm just
There's hay in here. We used it to mound up. Instead of using soil, which is expensive, we used cheaper hay to make like a mound. I'm going to see you guys in a minute. I'm doing a worm class for you guys. I don't know if I'm going to do it underneath the, underneath the tree. Yeah. Lauren, what are you eating?
Yeah.
Peppers?
Yeah.
Are they good?
No.
You like peppers for breakfast? Wow.
Running in the sand, living on the land. The salty breeze was in our eyes. We stood beneath the dragonflies and danced.